how to locate your Binance Pay ID and use it for transactions on Binance. Binance Pay ID is actually useful when you want to transfer a fund from one Binance user to another Binance user, and it is free. There is no charge attached to it. So how do you locate your Binance Pay ID? Now, if you log into your Binance account on a pro version, this is how you're going to see the interface. Be sure you're not using the light version. When you're using the light version, just make sure you turn it to the pro version, right? So once you are here, come and click on this three dot over here, which is the menu bar. And once you are here, just scroll down a little bit and tap on more services. Once this panel open up, you have two options. You can either scroll down and locate the pay icon over here, or just type pay in a search bar over here, right? But for now, let's go and just tap on pay over here. Once you tap on pay, you see a lot of stuff over here, but what you are looking for is your Binance Pay ID, and this is the ID over here that you just have to tap over here and it will be copied successfully. Now if you copy it, you can just go ahead and send it to whoever that is trying to send you money on Binance, and the person will be able to make a transfer to you successfully without any charges. And I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, don't forget to hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more videos. I'm out.